This video will show you how to disassemble the cover of a stand-up machine, i9 and i8. For this maintenance, you will need a flathead screwdriver. Before you begin, make sure you always disconnect the machine from power. We recommend performing the process with 2 people. Use the flathead screwdriver to flip the side strips loose. Then remove the entire strip. Repeat this handling on both sides. Loosen the side of the cover with a flathead screwdriver. Repeat this alongside the whole cover until it is fully loosened on both sides. Pull up the cover until the bottom comes loose. When disassembling the i9 and i8, it's important to keep the panel close to the machine so the second person can disconnect all the wiring from the connectors. You can now perform any maintenance. Reconnect the wiring in the connectors. To place the cover back on the machine, fit it into the profile and press it in place. It's important to place the cover in the bottom profile to prevent it from falling out. Press the strip into the groove at the top and carefully press it in place downwards. When the strip is almost fully placed, first press the end of the strip in place and then press the upstanding part until you hear a click. Repeat this on the other side. You have now successfully removed or replaced the cover of a stand-up machine. For more instruction, go to ultrasuninternational.com.